shit. Look at the bells. What bite is it? There we go, guys. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to channel. Stick here. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it to the test today. The last video y'all watched me and Dale catching them big smallmouth on the river with my reel, right? Which is great for, it's a great crankbait rod. I mean crankbait reel. You know, it worked out perfect. Today we're gonna take it to the next level. We're gonna flip with it, but I'm gonna put it up against one of my best reels I've got. It's a $200 reel, and we're gonna see if this $50 reel will beat it. So here it is. We're gonna unbox this one. This is a brand new one I got. This is called RUNCL Heroism. And it's a 731, has 8 ball bearings. We're gonna unbox this. We're gonna power it up with some Power Pro 20-pound braid. The other reel, exactly the same setup, so it'll be dead even, okay? But anyways, let's unbox this. All right, let's unbox it. I'll show y'all exactly how I got it. This is the first time me opening it. And there it is. It comes with a sticker. Comes with a card, a support card if you need support. It has their number on it. Also has, which is pretty cool. I kind of like this. Has the if you ever have to take it apart, it shows you exactly how it goes apart and back together, and all the parts are down here, which is cool. What else we got? Instruction manual. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. So here it is. Brand new, out of the box. All right, let's go out to the garage. Man, you know it's cold outside. Look at the, check out my koi pond. Dude, they are straight on the bottom. Hey, you know it's cold when them koi fish get down there on the bottom and sit and don't move. You know it's cold. All right, guys, I've got these reels set up. This is a Runkle. It's on a Enigma Atomic 29 7-foot pole. I've got my Enigma reel, which is my best reel I've got, on the Atomic 29. Both of them are set up exactly the same way. I've got a Christie critter on there, a 3/8 ounce weight 5/0 hook, and we're gonna test them in this bucket. I'm gonna put this bucket way out in the yard and do a couple, maybe 10 casts each, maybe, you know, flipping, swinging, pitching, and I'll see which one I like better. All right, hopefully y'all can see that bucket out there. I'm not for sure, but yeah, first one. I'm kind of rusty too. There we go. Try not to duck that bucket over. Do some sidearm stuff. Get it going. Oops. Oopsie. I'm trying not to hit that bucket over. Let me put this one up. That was I made 20 casts with it. Put that one right there. Pick up my Runkle. I've never flipped or pitched or anything with this reel, so let's see how it goes. Okay. It's actually dude, it's actually smoother. It's smoother. It's like I'm a little more accurate with this for some reason. It's also 25 degrees out here, so my fingers are getting pretty cold. Well, try not to knock that bucket over. This is actually okay. I'm kind of surprised. I was more accurate with the Runkle reel. It seems smoother, it seems smoother, and I don't know why, but it just seems smoother, and I was able to get it in the bucket a lot more times than the other one. We're gonna do a distance one now. See if I can pitch it out there with no thumb on it. All right, first up, we're just gonna see how far we can just flip this. Each reel. Let's hit the fence out there. We'll do 10 casts each. See which one will backlash on me. Very little thumb for the Enigma reel. I just barely have to use my thumb, just at the very end, just to stop it where I want it. Like, the more and more you use the bait casters and learn how to use them, the more instinctive you'll be on how much pressure you'll need to put on your thumb with it. But usually if you get this thing perfectly set up, you barely have to even use your thumb at all. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see if I can get the camera on this reel. You see what I'm talking about? The only time I had to put my thumb on it was to stop it. No backlash. Now, that's what I can do with my Enigma reel. Let me see what I can do with this Runkle, if it's going to be equivalent. It seems smoother. Let me get one cast on practice out there with it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's test it. 10 tries with it. Yeah. This reel retails for $54.95, I believe. And as you can see, yeah, I'm chugging it out there. It's almost hitting that fence. If I didn't put my thumb on it, it'd go over that fence out there. It's probably about 80 feet maybe out there. Yeah. It's the same deal. It's pretty similar. It's a little smoother. It's smoother, man. I'm telling you, this thing's smooth. Wow. I'm glad I got some more of these reels. Alright guys, my hands are frozen. Hope y'all enjoyed the test. Really impressed with the Runkle reel. I mean, it seems smoother than my more expensive reel. So hopefully by the end of the summer, I'll know a lot more about these reels after using them all year. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.